So for us, the journey with BrewDog started when we supplied the first DVD 40 can filler for them. This was their first canning line. We also provided the can line for their Columbus brewery in Ohio. Later we supplied a KHS Innoket combi keg for their kegging solutions, and then in 2018 we supplied this can line that you see here today.
They're one of the biggest can line suppliers in the world and certainly developed the most efficient and high quality fillers. They're always focusing on their innovations and new technologies, and we are very interested to be a part of that.
The technical requirements for this line were to be able to meet BrewDog's production requirements, which was to supply a line capable of producing at 34,000 containers per hour, aluminium cans from 330ml to 500ml that can be labelled for seasonal products. So first of all in the line we have the depalletizer, which takes the empty cans into the production facility. We label the cans empty. First of all, the cans travel through the in-feed star wheel where they're picked up by the labeler carousel. The cans are then pressurised with sterile air, and the PSL labels are fed onto the can and applied directly before the can exits out of the labeler and into production. The main benefits of the Innoket Neo labeler for BrewDog are that they can buy one type of can that can be used across all seasonal products and change the labels as and when they need them, meaning they can run short runs from 1,000 all the way up to 100,000 cans without the need to have a specific can type in their warehouse. The Innoket Neo labeler is also designed with a space-saving concept in mind, meaning it's a very compact, small but still accessible machine design. The machine is also energy efficient, reducing running costs for the line. So we first purge the can with CO2 to evacuate any oxygen that's inside the can. We then pressurise to achieve equilibrium pressure between the can and the filling bowl, and then we begin the filling process. At the end of the filling process, we have a short snifting time before the can is then released, depressurised and released to production. We keep the taste of the beer fresh within the can by not exposing the product to any temperature changes throughout the filling and production process.
In terms of saving CO2 and making sure we don't use too much of that, the KHS machinery is specifically designed to use low levels of CO2.
Finally, we carry out a level check, we dry the can, we have a second level check and pressure test to check that there are no leaking cans. Then we go into the primary and secondary packaging. For primary packaging, we have a GPI, and for secondary packaging, we have a KHS Innopak Histers WSP wraparound shrink packer. Finally, we have a check weigher, and then we have a palletizer, stretch wrapper and pallet labeler.
As long as people want to keep drinking great craft beer, BrewDog will continue to grow. And KHS will be right behind us with their great, scalable solutions.